Hello, friends, and welcome back to my day 2 of using new products from La La Land Crafts November release. If you didn't get to see all the products, head over to day 1, and I have the beginning of that video is showing you everything that came out this month. And for this day, I'm going to be doing 2 cards using the Snow Amazing stamp set. And here's all my guys are all colored up and ready to go. And I'm going to just kind of set that off to the side. And I'm going to use just a regular A2 size card base, and I'm using the Blue Christmas, the white, not white, the light blue with the white snow all over it, and I think that makes a really pretty backdrop. And I've also got the Fluffy Cloud dies. Now these didn't come out in this release. These are some older ones that have been out for a while, but I feel like a lot of people might have some of these. And also the Winter Village I think it's called a border die. So I'm just going to layer those up kind of on the front of my card here. And I just wanted something that looked like it was really far in the background, and then you've got the layers of snow coming up to the front so that I could have my little scene with my guys playing in the snow right in the very front. So once I've layered up all the snow, and I did pop up that front very first layer on some fun foam, I'm just going to kind of stack in my trees, figure out where I'm going to place them, kind of pop them up. And then once I get them placed, I decided that this card needed some sparkle. And so I pulled out my glossy accents and it's called Glitter Dust, and it's a Ranger product. And then I glittered up and glossy accented everything. So all the snow has it on the top. I even did it on you see the white circles on the tree, the green trees. I also put it there and then glittered that up. So you'll see, I just went a little crazy with it. But this is where I kind of want my little guys to be. And so I thought, it really needed some glitter because everything is better with glitter. So I'm just going to kind of cover everything with it. And in hindsight, this is one of those things where if you're going to do it, it's probably better to do it before you pop everything up because quite a bit of glitter gets caught behind it. But a few good taps and you can get it out from behind there. I also did the trees. As you can see, everything is nice and sparkly. Love it. I also popped up my sentiment, and I decided to do there's Snow Bunny Like You, and I tried to find a color of ink that was as close to the trees as I could get, so that was the best I could do with what I have in my stash. Now I'm going to pop up my little bunnies in the front, and then for a little teeny bit of more sparkle, you can barely see them right above the card, but I've got some of those clear droplets, and I'm just going to place those around the card, and that is going to finish off card number 1. I'll show you a close-up of it, which has much better lighting. This one's much brighter, so you can see better. And for card number 2, I decided to take, I saw, I want to say it was on Pinterest, I saw a card with these circles cut out, and I thought, oh, that would be a really cool way to be able to show off all of this patterned paper and quite a few of the different dies that La La Land has. So I'm going to use the Little Merry Christmas bundle. And by the way, that's the green that I used on the trees for the last card that we did. And I'm just going to take, so this top piece is 3 inches, and then the bottom piece is the really pretty colorful trees. And I just cut that, I don't have a measurement for you because I just cut between the top and the bottom so that the trees were whole, basically. And then it's 5.5 inches long. So I'm just going to create that. And then I just took a white piece of cardstock and I cut some circles using the circle dies that you see up there at the top. And then I popped them up on some fun foam, just give that a little bit of dimension. The inner pieces that popped out, I used the Fluffy Cloud dies to create some little snow piles inside of my circles. I've also used the circle dies to cut out a couple of circles to put my sentiment as well. I'm going to pop up, this is the lace border. This is one of the new dies. I'll pop that up right in the middle just to give a little bit of texture in between. And then I'm going to place my sentiment right there in the middle, which I'm going to also pop up. It's a very popped up card. I cut out some stars from some silver mirror cardstock, and I'm going to kind of strategically place those around to give it just a little bit of shine. And that is going to complete card number 2. Just a couple more ideas for some things that you can do with your Snow Amazing stamp set. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you again tomorrow for another video tomorrow is Santa Mona. Anyway, you guys have a great day, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.